Let's start by adjusting the shot volume. Grind, dose, tamp, and trim your portafilter. Press the Program button, then insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. To reprogram the volume of the 1 or 2 cup button, select the button you wish to adjust to start the extraction. Once sufficient espresso volume has been extracted, press the same button to stop. The machine will beep twice to confirm. Different beans require a different water temperature to extract their optimum flavor. The Barista Express allows you to adjust water temperature in 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Celsius increments from the default temperature. To enter advanced temperature setting mode, turn the machine off. Press and hold the Program button, then press the Power button. The machine will beep once, and the illuminated button will indicate the current temperature selected. Each time you enter advanced mode, you can only select one temperature setting at a time. To change it again, you will need to re-enter advanced mode. Press the Program button to reset the factory default temperature of 93 degrees Celsius. To increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius, press the 1 cup button. To increase the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, press the 2 cup button. To decrease the water temperature by 1 degree Celsius, press the Filter button. To decrease the water temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, press the Power button.